Today, magluluto naman tayo ulit guys. We'll pause for vlogging and let's cook today. Hulaan nyo kung anong lulutuin natin. So keep on watching! Guys, this is Jessie Katz. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Hi guys! Today, gagawa tayo ng, what you call this? Puto. I saw this recipe or na-crave ako sa puto kasi I saw it kay Doc Serrano. Oo, sa YouTube guys. She's in the US. Tapos, her vlog is about her life vlog with her daughter. Anyway, they're so cute together that they're making the puto. For me, it's so easy. This is my first time making puto because I thought puto is gonna be so difficult to make. Hindi naman pala when I saw them, they're making it. So, this is, let's start it! Start off guys by greasing these cups. Wala akong molder guys. Ito yung nakita ko, 'di ba? Ura-ura ng paggawa ng puto. Wala akong molder, yan lang ang nakita ko. So let's try to do with this one. So first grease it. One by one. Pasensya na guys, malayo yung oil ko. Ilapit ko na kasi pinapahirapan ko pa yung sarili ko, diba? Lapit natin yung oil. Let's see, we'll make 6 muna. Let's see kung ano. Kasi parang malaki yung aking molder. So, we'll make 6. Si Habi naman lahat mostly kakain na ito, guys. Okay. After greasing the molder, let's continue with mixing all the ingredients. Start with dry ingredients. So, I will not talk anymore. Just follow it. Oh. Pero nawala yung cheese, guys. Nawala ang cheese. Nandun yan somewhere. Yung cheese. Okay na yan siguro. Oh, hindi pa. Hindi pa. And then, since nawala yung cheese, guys, lalagyan ulit natin siyang cheese on top. And I'll just cover it again. Leave it for 2 minutes or until okay na sa inyo yung pagka-melt ng cheese. So, let's do this again! Ayan guys, nakagawa na naman tayo ng isang pagkain. So this is my simple, easy puto guys. Yan, cheese puto. So if I can do it, you can do it too. O diba? Ang dali lang pala nun guys. So enjoy and kain tayo. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on my social media. And it's all Jessie Kets, guys. Until next video. And always remember to be a blessing to others. Miss you, Munchkin! Bye na talaga, guys. Bye, everybody. And hope you have a great day.